Bridges are amazing. They are marvels of engineering that span vast distances, connecting cities, towns, and even countries. They connect us and make travel easier, allowing for the smooth flow of goods and people. Without bridges, many of our daily commutes would be impossible. We rely on bridges every day, whether we realize it or not. They are an integral part of our infrastructure. But bridges can be dangerous if they are not safe. The wear and tear from constant use can lead to serious issues. Over time, bridges can weaken due to weather, traffic, and age. Heavy rains, strong winds, and the weight of countless vehicles all take their toll. It is important to keep our bridges in good shape. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure their longevity and safety. Regular inspections help us find problems early. Engineers and inspectors play a vital role in this process. Inspectors look for cracks, rust, or other damage. These signs can indicate underlying structural issues that need immediate attention. Finding these problems early can prevent accidents and save lives. Timely repairs and maintenance ensure that our bridges remain safe for everyone. Inspecting bridges is hard work. Inspectors have a tough job. They have to check every part of the bridge, even the hard-to-reach places. They use their eyes, tools, and years of experience to spot problems. Sometimes, small cracks or hidden problems can be missed. Humans can get tired or make mistakes. This is where technology can help.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like a smart helper for bridge inspectors. AI uses computers to learn and make decisions.
AI can analyze data from images and sensors. This helps inspectors find problems they might have missed.
AI and human inspectors work together as a team. AI is not here to replace human inspectors. Instead, AI helps inspectors do their jobs better and more safely.
Section 4. Machine Learning and Computer Vision, AI's powerful tools. In this section, we will explore how these advanced technologies are revolutionizing the way we inspect and maintain bridges. Machine learning and computer vision are two important parts of AI used in bridge inspections. These technologies help engineers identify potential issues more efficiently and accurately than traditional methods.
Machine learning helps computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. By analyzing vast amounts of data, these systems can identify patterns and make predictions. For example, we can show a computer many pictures of bridges, some with cracks and some without. Over time, the computer learns to distinguish between the two, improving its accuracy